Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to calculate item demand plan in NetSuite. Here's how you calculate and generate an item demand plan inside NetSuite. Navigate to Transactions, Demand Planning, Calculate Item Demand Plan. Fill out the form. Select Subsidiary. Location you want to run the item demand plan. Projection method. You can select linear regression, moving average, sales forecast, and seasonal average. I'll select moving average for this demo. Projection interval. Set either monthly or weekly. Projection duration is the length of time into the future that you want the system to calculate demand forecasts. Historical analysis. Duration is how far back in time NetSuite looks at your demand history. Select the items or item groups. Click Submit. Since I've already generated a demand plan for this item, I'll overwrite the existing quantities with the new forecast. Open the generated item demand plan for the item. NetSuite shows forecasted demand quantities by period. Since I set the projection duration to 6 weeks, the system generated a 6-week forecast. The historical analysis duration will use transactions starting from July 6. Let's open the item record to review the related sales orders for this item. Under Related Records, set the location in the item demand plan so that it only pulls transactions for that specific location. As a result, the system recognizes a total of 22 quantities. When divided by the number of projection periods, that gives 3.66, which is rounded up to 4 quantities. This is the number that appears in the item demand plan. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.